Hello, dear student. Today we are going to learn about relation function. I think you are all have a good command on set theory. So before I am going to teach you, I hope you all are completed set theory. Let's consider two set. Consider two set. Set A having element 1, 2 and 3, and a set B whose element are 4 and 5. So if we want to get their cross product, that is A cross B, we get a set of these number. One 5, 2 4, 2 5 and 3 4 and 3 5. These all elements are come under the cross product of A and B. These all are called order pair. Order pairs. Here in relation function, order pair play a great role. So we should know about the order pair. What is order pair? Order pair generally consists of two objects or element in a given fixed order. Means if we take two elements A and B, then their order pair may be represent as AB. It is a specific order pair which is not equal to BA order pair. Means their position are fixed. If we alter the position, they form a different order pair. Okay, they form a different order pair. But if we write like that, A comma B, which is equal to B comma A, but a order pair never be equal to other order pair until if A and B are not same. Okay, so here order pair are so now in a new terminology, that is equality of order pair. Equality of order pair means if two order pair are same, that is AB a order pair equal to CD order pair, then equality of order pair, then A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Okay, let's do some example to understand better. Question find x and y if x plus 3, 5 is equal to 6, 2x plus y. Okay, this means this equality means these two order pairs are equal. Equality sign is here, so from this we may write this is equal to 6 and 5 is equal to 2x plus y. Now solving this, we get x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 minus 2x, that is 5 minus 6 minus 1. Okay, so after that, if a set A has a number of A element and set B has a number of B element, then their cross product should have a number of A cross B element. This is most important formula you should remember. Similarly, if a set C equal to phi set or does not have any element and other set D has 1, 2, 3 element, then their cross product always phi. In counter, we may say that if A cross B equal to phi, then either set A equal to phi or B equal to phi, or both A and B equal to phi. Okay, this is most important concept, you should remember it. Okay.